enjoyed in the last couple of months is having more time available in the kitchen and the garden. And one of the things that I've been doing very regularly is it all starts the night before. So I get my beans, my legumes, and I get them on to soak. And they soak all night, they plump and they swell and they become all juicy and gorgeous. And then I put them on to cook in the morning. And particularly for things like chickpeas, they can take between an hour and a half to 2 hours to cook. And in order to make them more easily digestible, it's really good to cook them to that point where when you squash them down, they kind of turn into mush. And so I'll cook them first thing in the morning, just while I'm getting whatever it is ready for the day. And then it means that they're ready for the rest of the day. And normally this is a luxury of time that I only have at the weekends. But like yesterday, for example, I did that. I had them ready in the morning, and then this meant I could make a really delicious hummus, which I made for lunch. And then in the evening, we had a really tasty salad that I prepared with it. And I even had a few left over that I put in a tasty curry sauce for lunch. So such a versatile food, so many different ways we can use it, so beneficial for the body, contains a lot of insoluble and soluble fibre, which is really awesome for good gut health, and then goes on to prevent cholesterol and things like that. They can have a tendency to produce gas in the body, and really a lot of that is about the response of the body to some of the things that are in the legumes, and also the state of our gut bacteria. So if you're not used to consuming any kind of legumes, then I would suggest slowly introducing them into your diet and just going a little bit at a time, slowly increasing the amount, and you most likely find that the digestive system starts to manage them better. And in Ayurveda, we use lots of different herbs and spices and lovely, wonderful cooking techniques to help make them even more absorbable, even more digestible, and then we don't get an increase of what we call vata, or excess gas is a way we can look at it.